When it comes to keeping our home secure, we've added the Ring Stick-Up Cam plug-in to our setup. It's installed right outside our garage, and we're excited to share our honest experience with it. One thing we noticed right away is how simple the installation process is. It took us less than 15 minutes to set it up, and all we needed was a power outlet nearby. The included mounting hardware made it straightforward. This camera integrates seamlessly with our other Ring devices we already use, including 2 Ring doorbells for the front and back doors. It's all managed through the same app, which makes controlling and monitoring everything super convenient. The video quality is impressive. During the day, the picture is clear and vibrant, and the color night vision works surprisingly well in low light conditions. This has been a huge plus for monitoring our driveway and garage area at all hours. Another feature we love is the two-way talk. It's great for communicating with delivery drivers or checking in when someone's at the garage. The motion alerts are customizable, so we can fine-tune the notifications to avoid unnecessary pings. We also appreciate that it works with Alexa, making it easy to check the live view right from your Echo Show. It's a small feature, but adds a lot to the overall convenience. Another great feature of the Ring Stick-Up Cam is its flexibility with power options. While we've been using it as a plug-in, it can also run on battery power. This gives you additional options for placement and convenience, especially if you don't have an outlet nearby. Overall, the Ring Stick-Up Cam plug-in has been a reliable addition to our home security setup. If you're looking for a versatile, weather-resistant outdoor camera, this is one definitely we recommend considering.